How to install Winrar on Windows. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to install Winrar on Windows. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to any browser of your choice and search for Winrar download PC. You can also type in something that is specified to your system requirements, like for example 64-bit Windows 10. So just search for that and you will see here the website of Winrar. So just click on their website right here. And then this will load, and when you scroll down you can see here the latest Winrar and RAR versions in English. So let's just choose this 64-bit right here. Then as you can see right now, it will download for a while, so let's just wait for it. So now that it's finished downloading, we just need to click on it right now. So it will open this download file, and let's just open it, and this will show right here. So just click on install, and then this will process. So you can toggle all of this right here to associate Winrar with all of them, but you can also not toggle anything since this is the recommended settings. So just click on OK and click on done because Winrar has now been set up on our PC. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to install Winrar on Windows. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!